Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for December 11th. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving This Is Hardcore by Bill Murphy. This is, at this point, a couple of weeks old, but I'm trying to catch up on the videos that I missed because of my shoulder. We have normal Sudoku rules, 1 to 9 in each row, column, and 3 by 3 box, and additionally we have some extra regions, so also 1 to 9 in each of the gray regions, which are all helpfully square-shaped. And those are the rules. So let's get started. I can see Bill set up some triples for us to start with. So if we look at the 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 can't go in these cells. And these are filled with other digits. So we must have 1, 2, 3 in these cells. 1, 5, 6 here can't go in these cells. These must be 1, 5, 6. Oh, it's not a 5. And then our remaining cells must be the other remaining digits, 6, 7, 9. Here we need 2, 3, 4, and 7, 8, 9, and 2, 3, 4 here. That's not 3, that's not 2. Okay, both of these aren't 3, so this is our 3. Is our first digit. Alright, where do we want to look next? That's not 7. Oh, here. So these are 6, 7, 9 as well. That one's not 6. It's not 7. These are 4, 5, and 8. That's not 5. If there's another digit, I'm not seeing it yet. Oh, the 6 here. Yeah, that should have been more obvious. There's a little bit of a symmetry break here. This is resolved by the 9, but we don't have the same thing here because 1 is not part of this triple. Just something that caught my eye there. Alright, so these are resolved. Our remaining digits in the row also have to be the leftover digits, 4, 5, 8. So that's going to give us a triple here. One thing about this triple, this is called claiming in this case. We have a triple. And so 5 in this box is limited to these 2 cells. 5 can't go in these because of the triple. Since 5 is limited to these 2 cells, it can't go here. So we can remove it. Not immediately helpful, but it is something to keep an eye out for. Slightly more advanced. Claiming and pointing are kind of 2 sides to the same idea. I'm sure I've mentioned pointing before. Alright, this row needs 4, 5, 6. That's not a 5. That's not 4 or 6, so that's our 5. 4 in the box also. That's what I'm missing. And then 6 in the box. Sometimes Bill sets up something really nice and elegant and simple, and I just don't look at it at all. Happens quite a lot when I'm test solving. So 5 in these cells must go in this one. This is not 4. And 1, 5, 6 in these. Neither of these is 6. So this is our 6. And we have a triple here, so this must be the 6. Let's resolve those. Still haven't resolved these. What are we left with? We need a 1, it's got to go there. And then these are 7 and 9, which are not 7 and 9. Those are resolved by that 9 there. Then we have 2, 3. That's finally going to resolve the 2, 4 pair. This is 5 now. This is not 4. This is 4. This is not 1, 2, or 3 on these, so this is our 9. 1 or 2 there, 2 or 3 there. This row 2 can't go in these cells, so this is 2. 6 can't go in these cells. Oh, not 6. We have a 6. 7, 8, 9 in this row. So that's the 9. 8 and 7. 3 there, 5 and 1 there. 1 resolves that. This is still not resolved. I think it's kind of funny when you've got 7 rows and one little pair is not resolved. Anyway, let's finish it off. These are 2, 5, and 8. This must be the 8. And then 5 there means this is 5 and this is 2, and that is resolve our pair. We need 3, 6, and 9 here. It's going to be the 9, 6, 3. These are 1, 4, 7. 7 there. 4 and 1. And to finish off, we're just filling in the bottom row with whatever we're missing. And not a 3 in the corner, so that's the solution. Really elegant puzzle. If you haven't seen tricks like this, I mean, we introduce them quite a lot. But these are very useful especially in puzzles with extra regions, because what I pointed out with the 5 here, that 5 was limited to these cells in the box, so it's also limited to these cells in the row. You get a lot more of that when you have extra regions because there are extra sets of 1 to 9 that you can play with. So that's always fun to see. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it. Let us know how you did in the comments, and I will see you next time.